I've been climbing pretty much full time for 25 years at this point. It's a pretty long time. Some people must watch me and think that I'm crazy and that I'm going to kill myself. But they don't see all the training and time and preparation that goes on behind the scenes. I mean, I don't just turn up and free solo these huge routes. That actually would be pretty crazy. It's very meta.
Yeah.
I'm watching myself in 3D.
I'm shooting a VR film to highlight the free solo experience. So I'm teaming up with the Swiss alpinist Nicholas Hojak, who will be my tour guide around the Alps. To make the virtual reality experience as dramatic as possible, we are heading to some of the most iconic peaks in the Dolomites and Alps. Nobody has ever shot free soloing on such giant walls in VR before.
Are you trying to create good experiences for people or nightmares?
I think this VR film could definitely be a nightmare for a lot of people. But you know, it'll be good for them, toughen them up. It's possibly the most messed up film day I've ever done. It's just such a big wall and just such crazy terrain, and we just covered a lot of distance today.
Just a few meters from the summit.
The beauty of this VR project is that it's so much more immersive than conventional media. You pack so much life into such a condensed amount of time.
That is cool.
Even a lot of my friends who know about all the things that I've soloed don't necessarily appreciate what it feels like, and because they've never soloed, they've never been in those places, and I think VR will take them to those places.